Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making dry fish pepper soup. Ihe a na-akpọ erimeri nke a bụ ahụike ndị ọrịa, medicine for the sick. So keep watching and let's do this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. The first step is to wash my dry fish really well. I'm using dry catfish. I will add salt and hot water. Allow it to sit for 2 to 3 minutes. I will take it to my sink and wash really well, debone it and set aside. Unu ma na ọtụtụ oge aja na-adịwanye n'ụdị aza, ya mere o jiri dị mkpa na ị ga-agbado anya saa ya mmiri nke ọma. Over here are my pepper soup ingredients: crayfish, onions, scotch bonnet pepper, ehuru, uziza seed, uyaya, oluba anyị na-akpọ ya okurumosho, Eden fruit in English. I'll blend and add to my pot. Next, I'll add seasoning cubes, salt, all-purpose seasoning, blended crayfish, ehuru, uziza seed, and the washed dry fish. I will cover and allow it to cook for 5 minutes on a medium heat. Ime ka erimeri a nọrọ n'ahụ, aga m awanye ya ji, aga m ebecha ji, saa ya mmiri ma dowe ya ruo mgbe m ga-awụnye ya. 5 minutes later, I will add my yam, cover and allow it to cook until soft. Ụdị erimeri a so n'erimeri a na-esiri nwaanyị mgbe ọ mụrụ nwa ọhụrụ. At this time, I check on the yam and it's soft. Next, I will add my scent leaves, cover and allow it to cook for 3 minutes to release the fragrance. I will be adding baby spinach, which is optional. Mix very well to combine and we are done. It turned out so delicious. I hope you give it a try. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!